The moon has always been a steady presence in our sky, orbiting Earth with perfect balance. But what if that balance suddenly broke and the moon started falling straight toward us? Right now, the moon stays in orbit because it's moving sideways fast enough to keep missing Earth as gravity pulls it in. This delicate balance between motion and gravity is what keeps it safely circling our planet. But imagine something disrupts that motion. The moon begins spiraling inward, slowly at first, but with no way to stop its descent toward Earth. At first, the change would be subtle. The moon would appear slightly larger and brighter in the sky, noticeable only to careful observers. But the oceans would respond almost immediately. The moon's gravity controls Earth's tides, and as it gets closer, that pull becomes dramatically stronger. Tides would surge higher and fall lower than ever before. Coastal regions would experience massive flooding, with seawater pushing far inland during every cycle. As the moon continues its approach, the effects would intensify. Entire coastlines could be reshaped by relentless tidal forces, turning cities into temporary islands or wiping them out completely. But it's not just the oceans. The moon's gravity also pulls on Earth's crust, and that force would grow stronger as the distance shrinks. This would increase stress along fault lines, triggering more frequent and powerful earthquakes. Volcanic activity could spike as pressure builds beneath Earth's surface. Meanwhile, Earth's rotation would begin to slow down more rapidly. Stronger tidal friction acts like a brake, gradually stretching the length of each day. The sky itself would become more dramatic. The moon would grow larger with each passing week, dominating the horizon and casting brighter light across the night. Eventually, the moon would reach a critical point known as the Roche limit. At this distance, Earth's gravity could begin to tear the moon apart. If that happens, the moon would break into massive fragments, forming a temporary ring system around Earth. It might look beautiful, but it would be incredibly dangerous. Chunks of lunar debris would collide and fall toward Earth, creating constant meteor storms. Impacts would devastate the surface, causing fires, shockwaves, and widespread destruction. In the worst-case scenario, large portions of the moon could remain intact long enough to collide with Earth directly. The energy released would be beyond anything humanity has ever experienced. Such an impact would reshape the planet, potentially melting large portions of the surface and altering the atmosphere completely. All of this begins with a single change: losing orbital balance. The moon doesn't just stay up there by chance, it's locked in a precise dance with Earth. Break that balance, and the moon transforms from a calm companion into a catastrophic force. The moon may seem peaceful in the sky, but its motion is exactly what keeps us safe. If you want to explore more cosmic what-ifs, check the description for more.